Hi, this is Mark Harrington from markharrington.com. This is a quick review video on a new product from Payne. It's in his video content PLR series, and the topic is video marketing. I'm going to start off by talking about why is video important. Video is important because 1 billion people use YouTube daily. There are 85% online or regular YouTube visitors. If you're not doing video marketing, you're not connecting with all of your customers in as strong a way as you possibly could. I'm going to pop across to the sales page and just to borrow some lines or some ideas about what is holding you back in you starting your own video marketing. You may just not know where to start. You may not have time to learn how to research niches and keywords. You may not even know how to do it. Keywords and niches are the drivers for finding video content, so you may not have any ideas for your video content. And then, of course, you've got to make the videos, so finding good video editing software is not trivial, and they are mostly quite expensive. And then once you've got a video, you've got to work out how to turn videos into leads or sales. And then we're just looping back to the first bullet point or the second bullet point is researching keywords is an expensive process because the tools are expensive. And what we've not even mentioned on this list is you may be too scared to appear in front of a camera or to use your voice for video. And this is what video content PLR is all about. It's going to help you solve this. So in the front end, which is for only $27, there is done-for-you keyword research for YouTube and then for videos on Google. There are 10 videos that are related to this keyword research on important video marketing topics that have already been made for you. There are male versions and female versions. There is a series of lead magnets. There are 10 lead magnet reports which you can give away to attract people onto your lists. And then there's a done-for-you email autoresponder series that you can send out to people who join your list. There's a copy and paste article pack, which is similar in content to the lead magnets, which you can then use as your blog posts or just use as topic areas for your new videos. There's some interactive checklists. The checklists are also a good way to create lead magnets so that people can identify the checklist and then you can draw them into your video marketing product that you create. There are some video assets which help you personalize and standardize your videos, so you add them to this video bundle before you upload to YouTube so that people know who you are and you can steer them where you want them to go next. There are square videos, so similar in format to these, but square videos that are suitable for Facebook and for Pinterest and for Instagram. There is a researched customer avatar. There is only one in here, but it gives you an idea of what you need to do. The scripts are included so that you can do your own voiceovers or edit them, and there are audio files that you can then use to add to a podcast platform, for example. So that is what is in the front end. Now I'll go into the membership site. I've been a member for a while of the video content PLR. So this is up here in the left-hand corner, video content PLR. I don't need to go through it again, but I will do is I'm going to show you elements of each of these. I won't go into the keyword research stuff because those are just lists of keywords. I'll look at the done-for-you video bundle. Let's do that first. So there are 20 videos. There's a mixture of male and female voices. I'm going to pick one of them, and I pick this topic. Thumbnails is an important topic. You may not know that it's an important topic, and I'll just go and give it a bit of a play. Now what Adam has done, so he's researched the keywords. The thumbnails is an important part of the keyword. He has written a script and then he has created a video using Vidnami, which brings together the script and the background images and video clips. So you may not know the importance of using thumbnails, but here is a video that will show you what's important and then how to go about doing them. So the trick then is, so this video is standalone, it's ready, you can upload this directly to YouTube. The challenge with that is it'll look like everybody else who does the shortcut route and does the same. So I'm going to step across to video assets. So we've done video bundles. So I'm going to pop down to the bottom. We've got this section here called video assets. That's password protected as well. And basically what video assets does is you need to create an end screen. To be effective in YouTube, you want to create an end card. They call it an end card, and here's a sampler. Basically, you put your picture in here, it'll put the link to the subscribe, and it'll tell you what to watch next. You'll watch, and you can choose which videos, and you say thanks for watching. It also includes what are called lower thirds, which you can use for your branding. So here's a lower third. So this goes down at the bottom of the video, so it'll appear down here, and you'll have your picture, some words about your the name of your business and what you want people to do next. So the trick for implementing these videos is to add an intro, add a lower third, and add an end screen, and then upload them to YouTube, and then you use the keywords to put them into the description that's in the YouTube box, and also as the tags that will help YouTube categorize your video. Now we're going to talk about then the process of finding new leads. So there is a series of lead magnet reports. I have downloaded them. So I'll just pop into the screen here, and there are 3 on different aspects of video marketing strategy for different platforms. Given we started on thumbnails, I'm going to start on thumbnails. There's a guide. It's a reasonably short guide. It has 7 pages. Tells you about the size. Tells you about finding a good photo. It gives you some samples. Tells you about creating a custom image if you don't want to use your own photo or another photo. It tells you to include the title text. It tells you to be honest, and it suggests some tools, some professional YouTube thumbnail makers. I happen to use Canva, and there are a whole range more, and there are some advanced strategies. So it's a really nice guide to help customers or prospects to get going on their YouTube thumbnail work. So that you give the guide away and create a list, and then what you do is you can send them the email autoresponder series. I'm just going to talk about the article pack. So I'll just pop up that same window we had again. Let's go back to where we were, the marketing PLR, and we'll see these articles basically match or mirror the guides that you're given. So these are Word document versions of those, so you can edit them to your heart's content and turn them into blog posts, or just turn them into your own videos once you have got yourself up and running. So let's pop out of there. So I think let's talk about interactive checklists. I'm just going to demonstrate how the checklists work. So what you get in the membership areas, you download all the checklists as Word documents or as text documents, and Adam has created interactive versions. So given we were on thumbnails, I'm going to stick with thumbnails. He's using a product called quicklist.com, which I use as well. And it tells you there's a lead in as to why thumbnails are important, the points to consider, and it's a thumbnail size, and then he's got the detailed information underneath each of these. So once you start working on a thumbnail, you just go through this checklist and you just tick it off. And you say, well, I know what the size is. I've gone into Canva and I've created. I've got a good photo. I've got a custom image. I've included the title text. I'm being honest, and I'm using some professional YouTube thumbnail makers. And if we'll go here, you'll notice there are clickable links in here. This one takes you off to Adam's Video Marketing Insider page, which he's got a really nice article on the whole topic of creating thumbnails, including the links to the tool makers that you can use. So you're just not left on your own. So that covers what you get in Video Marketing Insider. I'm going to summarize that quickly again for you. The research is done for you. We've got 10 videos. There's an autoresponder series, an article pack, lead magnets, some interactive checklists which you can use as lead magnets, the video assets to do end cards and lower thirds and intros, square videos to upload on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. There's a researched custom avatar, and the video scripts are available, and the audio files are available if you want to load them to your podcast, all for $27. At the end of the launch, the price is going to go back up to $37. Now let's talk about the upsell. There is only one upsell. The upsell or the upgrade is to join the Video Content PLR Club, which is at $37 per month. And Adam creates one of these video content PLR items each month on topics that are relevant, pertinent, and getting traction in the market. You get full access to the past video PLR series, so the ones that have been done so far: financial planning, green living, organic cooking, and prepping, all for survival. And of course you get this one as well because you've already purchased this one. And there's full training on how to monetize the PLR, and there is a Facebook community to help. So let's just go and let's show that in action. So I am a member. So here's the membership area. So here are the products: financial planning, green living, organic cooking, prepping for everything. And here's the training, which takes you right the way through from an intro through to keyword training, how to use the keywords, how to create your written contents to do your scripting, how to drive video traffic, how to then integrate your email service. There's a case study on it, building a website, and there's some general how-tos. So the beauty about this, unlike a lot of PLR, is you're not left on your own on working out how to do it, is that this is all built in. So when you buy this Video Marketing PLR, you'll get access to all of this training as part of that particular purchase. But if you join the club, you get access to the previous editions of Video Content PLR and also the new ones as they come available for as long as you are a member. So that is my overview and review. I like the quality of the product. I certainly have plans for deploying into my membership site, for example. The last point is I just want to talk about bonuses. I've not fully formalized the structure of the bonuses that I'm going to offer. The one I have definitely decided to provide, to make available, is called Tube Traffic Mastery. You'll remember the screen that I used earlier on. This is data from Tube Traffic Mastery. And what this is a training course. I'm going to whiz down to what's in the training course. It's a step-by-step training course that goes back to basics on what video marketing is about, how to construct your marketing strategy using video, how to use the appropriate top video sharing sites, because it's not all about YouTube, the tools that'll help you to make video really well, step-by-step video walkthrough on how to go about creating the video, how to get free images and videos and stuff like that. So it'll overlap to a degree with what Adam has created. The important part of the bonus is you get access to 14 videos, which are basically the chapters of that training course, which you can then use for your own YouTube channel or Vimeo channel, whichever channel you choose to. And all you've got to do is you've got to put a front screen, an intro screen, and an outro screen, one of those end cards in the way that I've talked about previously. So with this bonus, you'll get another 14 videos to add to the 10 you already receive in the video content PLR offer. So I appreciate your time in watching my quick review of the video marketing video PLR from Adam Payne. I wish you all success in your video marketing.